Now you know I'm in the gutter of trust factor when I'm playing with a gold Nova 4 and I'm silver 3. Oh my god.
Water.
Yeah, here's some water.
Or is that short?
Hmm?
It's
Where?
fucking
Where?
sound. It's
Where?
short A. Short
Oh my god. I thought I had indicators on.
What
Wait,
the fuck?
What the fuck?
Wait,
You died from a decoy?
I didn't even buy a decoy. I mean, I bought a decoy, but I didn't even use it.
No, that was my decoy.
It's fucking
They're
laggy.
Russian. They're Russian. Looks like they're going back.
Like, how are you down that much?
Boom.
How the fuck did they get there that quick?
It's like
What the fuck?
This game's so wonky.
He's jumped up, dude.
This is a
Yep,
good
another
game.
bullshit game. I love it.
No, it's a good game.
Yep, there's some more bullshit. Here we go.
So how that guy died at a decoy?
Like, how are you down that much already?
Like, I threw a decoy down there and we were rotating.
Like, how are you low on health already?
I don't know. How low were you, man?
They didn't even address who they were talking to. They didn't even care. I'm trying to think of like.
Yep, another bullshit game. Yep, keg, dude. Yep.
What? What was the problem with that? He was looking at the wall and some guy peeked him. I'm gonna flash him. I know it's gonna fucking.
Probably playing defaults now.
It's gonna rock his brain. He gets so mad. It's so funny.
Nice.
He's like complaining about his flashbang.
One party.
Wait, watch this.
Throwing smoke. Laying down smoke.
Like, I'm trying to hold that angle. Why did you smoke me off?
Uh-oh. They're pushing in.
Yep. It's like I said. Why did you smoke me off when I'm holding the angle? Like, why would you do that? You just lost us around.
I want to reply to him, but oh my god.
Transformers boost on that yellow dude.
Oh yeah, that might be a good idea. But I want to like subtly do it so he's not kicking me yet. Who, me?
Yeah, you smoked me off.
I'm trying to reply. Oh god, I can't even reply. I can usually hold my shit, but oh my god, this guy.
You see him?
I don't see him.
Alright.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'll just keep
He's
it.
danked. Monster. 88.
Why'd you shoot me? I didn't mean to
'Cause you
smoke you
ran in
though
front of
last
me.
time.
Flash monster.
Flashbang.
Could you not, dude?
Throwing smoke. Throwing flashbang.
What the
Dude,
fuck,
can
man?
you stop flashing? He's
Flashbang.
How long? There's one.
Dude, can you fucking stop smoking me off?
Can you jump?
Fuck are you doing?
They're A.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see what he does here. Wait.
Okay, dude, whatever. Blood, no damage.
What? He didn't even.
More bullshit.
Oh my god.
Push med.
This guy.
Goodbye, pistols.
Roger.
This fucking guy.
Deploying flashbang.
Yep. Could you stop fucking team flashing blue?
It was an accident.
Oh, it wasn't. That's twice in a fucking row now, dude.
Dude, stop behind you.
Good foot. No! Stop fucking team flashing! You flashed me fucking twice! You fucking flashed me twice that round. Twice!
You got the baddest crew
Oh
in
my
town.
god.
Literally flashed me twice that round.
Dude, I was trying to flash where the enemies are coming from. They're going.
Yeah,
through that
well,
package.
I was already out. You gotta call your fucking flash.
Flashbang.
I throw that flash every round.
There's one more there.
Yeah, one more.
One time.
Blue, can you fuck off?
What, dude, we're holding a corner. What's wrong with you?
Literally riding my fucking ass! Fuck off!
I'm not.
You're fucking on top of me! Fuck off! Holy shit! You're trash!
Who are you calling
Goddamn
trash,
fucking
dude?
troll, dude!
Leave me alone. I'm
You
One
just
fucking
water,
flash
one
me
water.
and then you fucking
yeah, one
block
water.
me!
Chill.
grenade out. I'm gonna smoke it off.
One connector.
Dude, I'm standing here, fuck off!
Who, me? I wasn't even looking at you.
One more.
Yep, smoke me off again, dude.
I was smoking the enemies off. So they
No, you fucking weren't, dude!
I
You're
actually
smoking me
was.
off.
I actually was. I don't even. Okay. I don't
No,
understand.
you weren't! That's the third time you've smoked me off now when I'm holding an angle.
Blue, you should think about reading yellow.
No, he should fucking stop fucking trolling.
Now drop.
Like he's been doing on
Oh,
fucking
here,
game.
you need a drop, you said, buddy? I got you.
Thanks.
Dude, can you just play the game, Yellow? Just stop trolling.
No, how about you stop fucking trolling?
I'm not trolling you. Promise. But
Yeah, okay, dude.
I don't
sure.
know who you are. I don't
You're
know who
standing
you are.
on my head, you're fucking flashing me every round, you're fucking smoking me off,
Relax,
but you're
Stinky.
totally not fucking trolling.
I'm not.
Okay, dude.
Throwing flashbang.
Okay, behind the fucking wall.
How many did you see?
And there's your fucking flash. I didn't see anything because you fucking flashed me again.
You died before I even tossed any grenades.
No, dude. No, I was blind from your flash.
No, you
So
weren't.
shut the. No, yes, yes, it was.
No, actually, you weren't. That's not true.
Yes, yes, it was.
Dude, just, I don't know what's going on, but you need to just take it down a notch, okay? Because I'm sitting here trying to play the game. I can't hear anything.
You're muted, and you need to fucking get some kills and stop fucking trolling.
Clear comms, bro. I'm trying to hear.
This kid's gonna flash me. What?
Throwing flashbang.
Dude, you are fucking retarded.
Huh?
Wait, what?
He literally runs in front of me on purpose to fucking to get killed. While blocking my
I thought it
fucking
was on
shot.
yellow.
Honestly, dude, I really don't know
Yeah.
what to
Yeah,
say to you
just
anymore.
allow the fucking trolls. Just allow the trolls.
Just change sides.
Yeah.
No, because he follows me fucking everywhere.
Dude,
Just change side.
He's
let's
literally
just-
following me
let's just
everywhere,
change.
dude.
I'll just go to B. Alright, I'll go A.
Fucking kick him. Dude, fuck off!
What are you doing?
What's happening, man?
He's
Just change
fucking trolling! No, he's fucking following me!
I'm just checking to see if you need
One coming
anything.
down, bathroom.
Flashbang.
Two. One
Yeah,
part and up.
B. Few B.
They're going B.
One long. I think there's two bathroom and one long.
Dude, blue, chill.
Dude.
What the hell?
Dude,
Fucking kick him then.
he stole my
'Cause
gun.
he's pissing me
so-
the fuck off. It only lost us like 3 rounds.
We're up rounds, bro. It's all good.
Good job, Blue! Thanks for blocking me again!
It's no problem, bro.
2 fucking shit games in a row. Good job, Blue.
Let's just reset. Let's just
Fucking
get guns.
shit stain.
Yellow, if every game is bad, maybe you're the problem.
Yeah, oh, I'm the problem because this kid follows me and blocks me every fucking round, but I'm the fucking problem. Okay. He's got fucking 20 ADR. But I'm the fucking problem. Oh, now he's gonna go to his own site. Wow.
What, did you want me to come to you?
Okay. Yep, nice walls, dude!
Dude, anything is just an excuse for him.
Yeah,
to
Orange,
get
how that guy
mad.
peek you like that? Like knowing you're there.
Let's go.
Blue, you need to fuck off.
Throwing flashbang.
I'm going A.
You need to kick this kid. Dude, fuck off! Are you just fucking ignoring this? Okay. You think this is okay?
Negative. Roger that, boss.
One party.
Just ignore it. Nope. You're fucking losing
man,
because you
it's
got a
okay,
fucking
you
shit
can-
hit. No, it's fucking not because I can't fucking move anywhere.
One bathroom.
Yep, totally okay, dude. Totally, dude.
Yo, Blue.
Blue, you
hell,
need to
man?
fuck off.
Huh? I think they're going to... Yeah.
Blue,
They're going A.
fuck off.
They're going A. Should we go to A?
Can you fucking kick this kid?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, totally. Because I'm the problem. I'm the problem. He's the one trolling, but I'm the fucking problem.
Yo, Blue, stay away. What the hell, man?
Yeah,
Blue, fuck off.
Just go away, man. Blue, go away, go away.
Okay, my bad. Sorry.
Jesus fucking Christ. That's the only reason why we're fucking losing this game is because of fucking Blue.
Enemy out. Throwing smoke.
Dude, fuck off.
He's like a, it's like a doll you pull the string on. As soon as I get in front of him, he
It's
goes,
B.
dude,
Fuck
fuck off, dude.
Yep, through the fucking wall, this kid's cheating.
Jump, jump, jump. Hey, die.
And Blue's cheating too. Welly's trolling.
Smoke.
Yep, good job, dude.
Party, one party.
Throwing a grenade.
Oh my god, fuck off! Blue!
45 in bathroom.
What? Cranked it up to a
Blue,
cool
fuck
80.
off.
I'm not even. Wait, what? Wait, what was that one for? What did I do now? I literally didn't even do anything. I wasn't even here.
Fire in the hole.
Yep, here we go. Again. Blue, fuck off.
No, I wanted to flash him.
Wow, nice call out.
One heaven. Wait, what the fuck, man?
Blue, fuck off. Okay, dude, right.
Two heaven.
Grenade.
Yeah, how about that, dude? How about that? Because I got fucking Blue blocking me every fucking round. Maybe if you picked him, maybe it wouldn't be happening.
This guy's going, dude.
Blue's got 13 kills though.
Yeah, well, he's also cheating too, if you fucking pay attention.
Hmm?
Fucking troll.
Warning.
Oh, look. Get this kid fucking banned. Do it, bitch!
Man's running fucking headshot me. I love
Come
the
on.
guy.
Activated the bomb.
Okay, you kill him.
Yeah, can you fucking get off my head? This fucking piece of shit. Blue, you need to fuck off and go find another game to play.
I'm playing Counter-Strike right now.
Okay, right.
He's 1 HP. Couldn't do it. You suck.
Well, minus 90 B.
I planted the bomb.
One truck.
Not only is he fucking trolling, he's cheating. Yeah, can you fuck off, Blue? Blue, you need to fuck off.
I throw the flashbang.
Oh my god. It sounded very sick right there. It sounded sick.
Blue.
Flashbang.
Yeah, he always goes for the crouch. Every single time. He's-
Blue, fuck off!
Dude! Smoked off. It's fine. It's fine.
Connector, lit 90.
Oh, nice team flash there, Blue.
He's worried about that when I'm on his head.
Can you get the fuck off my head, you fucking piece of shit?
Blue, what the fuck, man?
Dude!
Like, this is every fucking game. I have to deal with this fucking shit. Like, fuck off! You fucking trash can! Thanks, Blue, you fucking piece of shit! Blame Blue for that one!
Well, I was waiting for my team.
Blame fucking Blue!
Dude.
You wanna blame me, you can go fuck yourself in the fucking face. I don't give a fuck. Kid's sitting there standing on top of my fucking head every goddamn round.
Don't crash.
But you wanna blame me? Yeah, okay, dude, because I'm trying to fucking hold an angle. How about you fucking kick him and take care of the fucking problem? How about that?
If it happens again, we'll kick him.
Yeah, well, it's been happening every round and you still haven't fucking done it.
The thing is,
There's no point in doing it now because we've already fucking lost.
Oh shit.
Dude, fuck off. Seriously, dude. Fuck off. Kick him now. He's doing it again.
What the hell, bro?
No, he's not. I just checked him. Dude, it's crazy how he has like he can blame something for everything. Like it doesn't matter what it is. He just like he knows it's not his fault no matter what it is. It's insane. Like the world is just handing him a shit platter.
Oh, if I don't have someone on my fucking head, I can actually fucking do something. Would you look?
Affirmative.
Yeah, I can look. This shit is so funny, and thank you. I appreciate you. But this is like this guy overreacts to every fucking thing.
Nice flash, Blue! Fucking piece of shit! Oh look, there's Blue, team flash.
Why are you saying look if you're blind? That doesn't make sense.
Yep, you're part of the fucking problem.
Okay, they're not here.
He's gonna crouch. Watch, watch. He's gonna do it.
Dude, get the fuck off my head! Fuck off, Blue!
Huh? Who you disrespecting?
Can you fucking kick
like
this
that?
kid? No, of course not. No. I
One
wouldn't battle to
connector,
deal with this
one
fucking...
connector.
Yeah, okay.
He got a cooldown. He got a cooldown. He got a cooldown. Oh my god. Oh my god. He just got a cooldown. He just got a cooldown. Let me view his profile. Add friend. You're a fucking piece of
the other
shit.
guy abandoned?
Go fuck yourself. Yeah, I'm not sure
Jesus.
why.
No idea.